What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Hey guys, just a quick project. One of my favorite things to do is to layer pre-made wreaths and make them unique and your own. So to do that, we're first going to take all of these stems and just push them towards the outside. All right, y'all, then we're going to take another wreath that is basically completed, and we're going to set it right down into the center of here. All right, then we're going to take some zip ties, and we're going to zip tie this wreath onto the other wreath. So all I'm doing is wrapping around that frame on both wreaths and then zip tying it nice and tight together. So I like to do one side and go exactly opposite the other side. Y'all, this technique makes for some quick projects, and sometimes that's what you need. Y'all, now I'm just going to pull these stems up a little bit and fluff these out a little bit. Y'all, we're going to add our little church right in here. On the bottom, I'm just going to try to catch the very edge . Pipe clear that. All right, now we're going to wrap these two pipe cleaners around our frame. We'll go attach to the top. Now we're going to add a bow and we'll be done. Let's make our bow. All right, let's pull about a 12-inch tail. About a 6-inch loop. Y'all, we're going to do 3 loops on each side. Each loop is about 6 inches. Then we'll come back and do 2 loops. Each loop will be about 5.5 inches. Then we're going to top it off with 1 loop at about 5 inches. Get our tail cut. Get this tied off. Right, and we can get this added right onto our little wreath. Y'all, and that's less than, what, 8 minutes. We have a designer wreath ready to go for sale. Get it tied off. Fix our bow. There we go.